You are looking at the nicest Multistrada V4S I have ever seen in my life. This thing is tricked out. This bike makes me feel so inadequate when I look at it. It's not even funny. First of all, it looks badass with these off-road tires, okay? And then look at the scoops here to cool off the brakes. Paid extra for the Brembo brakes. This was the sport model originally, okay? Look at this carbon fiber on the safety pack. He added in these fogs on both sides. Of course, he has a lot of protection around the engine. Look at the piece de resistance right here, my friends. Take a look at this. This is the clutch cover, and he put a dry clutch on this thing. This is insane. I have never seen a Multistrada with this done. Also has the full exhaust, as you can see, and you know it's the full exhaust because it has the two pipes coming in. All of the other ones only have a single pipe coming in. So this is a full exhaust. He added this piece because he's not taken, so this guy's an engineer. He first went and he 3D printed it, and then he had it made in metal. This is insane. This is a one of a kind. You do not see bikes like this at all right? Obviously changed the pegs, did some other changes on the bike. Even, look here, all his reservoirs are all redone. If you look over here, he's got the pads that are specifically made for the tank grips. Right here. And this is Öhlins, so you can adjust this Öhlins right here, whether you're gonna be on the highway or out on the going slow, which is awesome. This is an easy piece to add right here, so he can have his Garmin, which makes it awesome. He put his controller for the fog lamps right over here. I mean, this bike, and even look at the hand guards. Whoop, get in focus. Come on, you can focus. Look at the hand guards, full metal, and of course with the plastic, so you have more wind protection on here. The windscreen is a Ducati product. It's not an aftermarket product. So it was just changed over. But the paint scheme is awesome. And because this came originally as a sport model, it even has little details that you don't find on a regular V4S's right here. Let's come over to the left side of the bike. Oh, by the way, he's got a ton of sliders on it. Come on, you can focus. He's got a ton of sliders on it. Has more sliders all over this bike. Of course, matching on this side as far as the, wow. But look at this with the RNG, all of this, even this back here for the rear fender is carbon fiber, more sliders, okay? Look at this, partial carbon right here, another rear fender, I guess you can call this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bike right here. Come on, focus, come on, focus. Well, anyway, has a top case, woo, it's just loud here, and of course the seat. But this is, honestly, the best looking Multistrada that's a 2021 that I've ever seen. This bike is absolutely insane, and I think I found a new riding buddy here. Anyway, thought you guys would like this. I have a bunch of photos that I took of this, but I thought I would make this quick. I know it's loud here. I got 95 right there because I'm at the dealership, as you can see, at Two Wheels World. All right, I'm actually here to pick up my bike and take a look at this bike. Anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the beauty of this motorcycle right here. It's not mine. Ciao.